Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of spice, flavor, and unique ingredients that make our taste buds tingle, then this video is absolutely for you. Today we're diving deep into two of the most interesting and delicious things you might not know much about: the vibrant chili peppers that have taken the world by storm, and the incredible jackfruit from Thailand. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what... Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of spice, flavor, and unique ingredients that make our taste buds tingle, then this video is absolutely for you. Today we're diving deep into two of the most interesting and delicious things you might not know much about: the vibrant chili peppers that have taken the world by storm, and the incredible jackfruit from Thailand. But before we get started, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what... Everything begins with careful preparation of the soil. Farmers in China know that getting this part right is crucial. They make sure the soil is rich with the nutrients that the chili plants will need to grow big and strong. And from there, the seeds are carefully nurtured in advanced nurseries. These nurseries aren't just places where plants grow. They're high-tech environments where temperature, humidity, and light are controlled, ensuring that each seed has the perfect conditions to sprout. It's like a VIP treatment for your chili. After about 7 days, those little seeds sprout into tiny seedlings. At this stage, they're around 5 centimeters tall. The farmers continue to pamper these babies with regular watering, nutrients, and protection from pests. Once they're strong enough, about 15 days in, it's time for the next step, moving them to the main fields. This is where the real adventure begins. Gone are the days of manual planting. Thanks to modern machinery, the transplanting process has become faster, more efficient, and precise. Special machines called automatic transplanters position each chili plant with care, making sure that the roots stay intact. These machines make sure the plants are spaced out just right, usually around 30 to 50 centimeters apart, to give each chili plant the space it needs to grow healthy and strong. Now, chili plants are pretty picky when it comes to water. Too little, and they're in trouble. Too much, and you've got a soggy mess. That's why most farms use advanced irrigation systems, like drip or sprinkler systems, to give them just the right amount of water, preventing overwatering and ensuring each plant gets the hydration it needs. But that's not all. These plants also need regular fertilization and some plant protection from pests, diseases, and the occasional harsh weather. After a couple of months, when the peppers have ripened into their signature bright red color, it's time for the big harvest. And this isn't your grandma's harvest method. Modern machinery makes this part of the process faster and more efficient than ever. But even with all this technology, there's still a crucial step: quality control. Machines collect the peppers and send them to the next phase, but human hands are needed to ensure that only the best quality peppers make it to the factory. Now, let's follow those peppers all the way to the factory. We're heading to Vietnam, where one of the world's most famous chili sauces, sriracha, is made. This iconic sauce has a rich history and an even richer flavor, and making it is an art form. So what happens after the peppers arrive at the factory? Well, buckle up, because it's quite a journey. First, the chili peppers are thoroughly cleaned to remove dirt, debris, and any remaining impurities. Once cleaned, sorting machines get to work, separating the peppers based on size, color, and quality. Only the best peppers make the cut. Those that don't pass are recycled for animal feed or fertilizer. But don't worry, the good stuff is about to be turned into something amazing. The peppers are then ground into a fine paste, and that's when the real magic happens. A blend of ingredients, garlic, sugar, salt, vinegar, and a special mix of spices is added to create that signature sriracha flavor. After grinding, the mixture goes into a cooking stage where it's heated just right to bring out the full flavor profile, kill off any bacteria, and help it last longer on the shelf. Once the sauce is cooked and filtered for that smooth texture, it's cooled down and moved onto the bottling line. In the blink of an eye, sterilized bottles are filled, sealed tight, and sent through quality control. Every batch is tested for flavor, spice level, and overall safety. Only the best make it into your bottle. Alright, chili lovers, let's shift gears and head to Thailand, where jackfruit is king. Known for its massive size and sweet tropical flavor, jackfruit is a beloved fruit that's grown in abundance throughout Thailand. But how does this giant fruit make its way from farm to table? Let's find out. The journey begins with grafting, a method that's widely used to ensure strong, productive trees that bear the best fruit. This method reduces the waiting time for the fruit to grow and accelerates the process, meaning farmers can expect higher yields faster. Once the grafted plants reach about 30 to 40 centimeters, they're ready to be transplanted into the fields, where they'll grow to their full potential. Jackfruit trees require a lot of care, especially during the dry season. Farmers carefully prune the trees to remove dead or diseased branches, improve airflow, and strengthen the tree's structure. After all, these trees need to be sturdy enough to support the enormous jackfruit that will grow from them. Some can weigh as much as 30 kilos. Jackfruit trees typically start producing fruit about 3 to 4 years after planting. The harvesting season runs from March to June, and during this time, farmers keep a close eye on the fruit to ensure it's ripe. When they're ready, they use sharp knives to carefully cut the fruit down. Some of these fruits can be over 90 centimeters long, so precision is key. Once harvested, the jackfruit is transported to a processing facility where it's carefully cleaned and sorted. Only the best fruit makes it to the drying stage. But don't worry, we're not just leaving it to dry in the sun. This process is a high-tech operation where the fruit is cut into uniform pieces and frozen at a chilly 35 degrees Celsius. This helps preserve the natural sweetness and flavor. Next up, vacuum frying, a unique method that uses low pressure and temperature to dry the jackfruit quickly. This method helps preserve the flavor and nutrients, while also giving the fruit a crispy texture. The result? Delicious, healthy dried jackfruit that stays fresh longer and retains up to 70% of its original nutrients. Let's kick things off with the Komatsu D375 bulldozer, a true beast in the world of heavy machinery. Built to dominate the toughest terrains, this powerhouse is equipped with the mighty D375A engine, delivering unmatched pushing power. This makes material handling faster and more efficient, whether you're on a construction site or a mining project. Weighing a solid 72 tons, the D375 offers incredible stability, ensuring smooth operations even in the roughest conditions. Its advanced blade design is a game changer for coal and material movement, helping you get the job done with maximum productivity. The Komatsu D375 is not just a machine, it's a symbol of strength and versatility, the ultimate tool for large-scale projects. Next up, we have the EA30 XAI Smart Pesticide Sprayer, a true revolution in agriculture. Powered by cutting-edge AI, this sprayer adapts to all terrains and a variety of crops, from rice paddies to orchards. It's engineered for precision and efficiency, covering up to 20 acres per hour, which means more productivity for farmers. By optimizing pesticide usage, it slashes waste by 30%, helping farmers save money while making agriculture smarter, more efficient, and environmentally friendly. Now, let's dive into the MLP2 mulching machine, a tool that's changing the game in agriculture. This innovative piece of equipment spreads ground cover without disturbing the soil, reducing preparation time by 40%. That means quicker planting, less labor, and significant fuel savings. It can cover up to 4 acres an hour, while protecting crops from harsh weather, locking in moisture, and preventing soil erosion. The result? Improved yields and smarter resource management, all while protecting the environment. Now, let's talk about the Steel Hangout with Me2 Loaner and Mar Riser Drill, an engineering marvel that's built to handle even the toughest farming conditions. Designed for precision in rugged, steep terrains, this machine boasts an impressive 6-meter working range, helping farmers cover more ground in less time. Powered by a V8 engine with 600 horsepower, it ensures top-tier performance for quick, efficient work. Add to that Trimble GPS navigation, a comfy New Holland cabin, and a Bosch Rexroth drive system, and you've got yourself an 18.2-ton self-propelled powerhouse that's ready to take on any agricultural challenge. And last but certainly not least, we have the 2018 RXG80 DGS Minoru, an 8-row rice planter that's revolutionizing industrial agriculture in Japan. This game-changing machine plants 8 rows simultaneously, boosting planting efficiency by 40% and drastically cutting down on planting time. With its precise alignment mechanism, it ensures uniform seed placement, maximizing growth potential and yield. Capable of covering up to 1.2 hectares per hour, the RXG80 DGS Minoru is speeding up the planting process like never before. Once the jackfruit is perfectly fried, the oil is extracted to ensure it stays crisp and fresh. After that, the dried jackfruit is ready for packaging and shipment to markets worldwide. Whether you're snacking on it or using it in recipes, Thai dried jackfruit is a delicious and nutritious treat. From the chili fields of China to the jackfruit orchards of Thailand, these incredible foods are brought to us by dedicated farmers and innovative technology. It's amazing to think about the journey that each bite takes before it reaches our table. Have you ever tried chili sauce or dried jackfruit from these regions? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome food stories. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.